Hello and welcome to a very exciting half an hour on Brand Equity with me, Sonali Krishna. It's one of those shows where we need you to sit back, relax, but concentrate. And here's why. Right on top, it's Brand Equity's special initiative, Can the King of Good Times Be Saved? We're talking about brand Kingfisher Airlines. Catch BBDO, Lowe and Leo Burnett present their big pitch to Brand Equity on how this crisis-stricken airline can be salvaged. What can be done to ensure some crisis control and perception management? Why this Kolaveri D? Surprised that some random song got a 17 million hits? Well, don't be. It's actually a classic in terms of a viral marketing case study. We get you that inside story. Over 200 cancelled flights, a debt of about 7,500 crores and a host of anger and agitated flyers. The last couple of months has been anything but good times for Kingfisher Airlines. Vijay Mallya's opulent Kingfisher Airlines is undoubtedly a brand that is going through some serious perception problems and has taken a beating in terms of reputation. But one thing's for certain, Kingfisher Airlines needs to do something dramatic to win back its flyers' trust. So Brand Equity decided to get a little adventurous and proactive and invited 3 agencies to pitch to us on how they would salvage brand Kingfisher. So BBDO, Lowe and Leo Burnett put on their creative hats and struck their stuff right here on Brand Equity. Now watch closely and tell us which of the 3 campaigns you would rate as most effective for Kingfisher to get some of its sheen back. Write into Brand Equity at etnow.tv or alternatively log on to our Facebook page, that's facebook.com/brandequity, with your thoughts and of course your vote on the most effective campaign. Let the show begin.
Talk when the problem is solved. The good times are back. What is going to be extremely critical for us is the timing of this campaign.
Unfortunately, I think Kingfisher suffers from the fact that it's owned by Vijay Mallya, and therefore people always attribute anything that happens to it to the fact that he lives a jet-set lifestyle.
I think someone has to stand up and own up to the problem.
They are the king of good times. One of the things that they managed to do was really extend that to the sky, and I think that's what people will really miss the most.
Good times are back will be the campaign.
I think what we said is we'll time it after their business issues are taken care of. 2 is we need to have the face of Vijay Mallya. 3 is I don't think what we say is not so apologetic. Okay. What 4th is, I think our promise is the good times are back. Format that we are following is Dr. Mallya Speak, because he is the face of the brand and there is no other face. When you had brands like Cadbury facing that kind of an issue, they could, since they did not have anyone internal, within the company who could stand up and do that, they had to look for faces outside of the industry like Mr. Bachchan. Yeah. But here Dr. Mallya is a face, and that's the first thing that we were very clear about. He should stand up and talk.
Welcome aboard to the renewed and refreshed 100% Kingfisher service. The good times are back again. Hi and welcome aboard Kingfisher Airlines. It gives me great pleasure to welcome you to the new refreshed Kingfisher service. There have been tough times for us and as a consequence to you, our guests. We have taken this opportunity to not just set things 100% right, but also to set new standards in delivering the unique Kingfisher experience that you love. Today I can say with pride that Kingfisher is back to where it truly belongs. If you have any questions or comments, please write to me directly. I, on behalf of my entire crew, thank you for choosing to fly Kingfisher. So sit back and enjoy the refreshed Kingfisher experience.
Basically, Kingfisher has a problem. They have a huge image issue. They've become a joke. Doesn't make sense to go and tell them to spend money and do television ads. Their image took a huge beating, especially in the digital medium. So it was all these jokes that were floating in that BBM and Facebook and all these things. That's where it spread.
We can do an activation around if there's anyone whose ticket has been cancelled or he didn't fly that flight, so a Kingfisher air hostess will go and give that guy a hug.
Kingfisher is anyway known to be a little more fun, and they can do a little more stuff which is a little out there.
The airline was doing well. All the coolness that the airline got was because of Malia's image.
I know you have a choice of other airlines, and I'm very glad that you've chosen to fly the Kingfisher Experience.
You have to do something. If you're doing digital, it has to viral.
Correct.
Okay, so it cannot be.
But that's what the message has to be very correct of what's viral. This earnestness of saying was bad time tha, accepting, saying it will pass. Slight jokes on yourself. I think we'll stick to that. We'll do digital. We'll keep it slightly light so that it seems like we are, it's not like overbearing. And rock and roll. At this point in time, going and telling them to spend on advertising would be really fatal, I feel. Because already people are saying that, you're flamboyant, there is, why aren't you doing it with your own money? And at that point in time, going and spending money on an image correction exercise, because people know today that, spending on television, spending on newspapers, spending on hoardings is an expensive affair. So it would become a joke all over again, saying, why are you spending on this? Why aren't you spending on correcting what needs to be done? So which is why I think that the differential that we think that we've got to the table is by telling them not to spend.
मैंने तुमसे कितनी बार कहा है, stop calling me.
वो 3 लोग बताएंगे कि मैं सिंगर हूं कि नहीं. साला होते कौन है वो? किया क्या है वो लोग ने?
They've laid off 1,500 employees.
तो मेरा भाई है
यार, जिंदगी में रखा क्या है यार?
तो भाई है मेरा.
टैलेंट के अलावा तुम्हारे पास और क्या क्या है?
कुत्ते का दिन आता है क्या?
Sir, someone is here to see you. It's about the bottles.
Send him in. तो क्या भाव चल रहा है आजकल?
भाव तो जबरदस्त चल रहा है साहब. 4 रुपया पर बोतल बियर का और वोडका, विस्की, वाइन वगैरह का किलो का हिसाब है साहब.
6 रुपया फाइनल. तुम जानते नहीं कितनी बॉटल है हमारे पास.
कितना ही बॉटल रहने दो साहब, इतने में परवड़ेगा नहीं अपन को. अपन जा रहे हैं. खोटा खोटा का पूरा जो टाइम वेस्ट.
ओ भाई ओ, आओ बैठो. 5 रुपया कर दो फाइनल। बियर, रम, विस्की, जिन, वोडका सब कुछ 5 में डन।
साहब अभी आप इतना बोल रहे हैं तो 5 में डन करते हैं, चलो। इतना सस्ते में दे डाला तुमको।
और ये पेपर प्लास्टिक का क्या भाव है? What's this 1,80,000 bill from last Saturday?
Deepika and I were playing badminton, Dad.
So
they asked us to leave.
So you bought a coat?
Of course I bought the coat. Deepika loves badminton.
Sid, there is no other way to say this. But I think it's time you start dating someone cheaper. As in like low maintenance. What do you think of Rakhi Sawant? Wesey you can try Kashmira Shah also. Gentlemen, I need solutions. Just think out of the box. We need some more solutions.
Dad, I have an idea.
Yes?
We need to change the way we look at in-flight entertainment. In-flight entertainment is making us go bone dry. We're losing too much money on copyright issues. We're losing too much money on television rights. And on top of all of that, our flyers even steal our headsets. You need to see my idea. It's gonna change the way people look at in-flight entertainment. Bro, come in here.
पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा, बेटा हमारा ऐसा काम करेगा, मगर ये तो कोई न जाने कि मेरी मंजिल है कहाँ। पापा कहते हैं बड़ा नाम करेगा।
सर कोई भी गाना रिक्वेस्ट पे। आपकी कंपनी डूब रही है ना? डूबा डूबा रहता हूँ आंखों में तेरी।
I need ideas and I need them now.
Sir, pen.
Sir, I have an idea. Sir, cost to company. CTC. Why do we need these glam dolls?
I think he has a point.
Air hostesses. We need regular people serving our regular customers. So I think you should see this girl I have. Come in. You may start.
नमस्कार, किंगफिशर एयरलाइंस में आपका स्वागत है। आपकी सुरक्षा के लिए इस विमान में 6 द्वार है, 2 आगे, 2 पीछे और 2 आपातकालीन मार्ग है। अपनी कुर्सी की पेटी हमेशा बांध के रखें। आशा करते हैं आपकी यात्रा सुखद रहे। थैंक यू।
No. 15,000 rupees only. No PF, no medical. Huh, sir?
Save the Kingfisher.
Flying experience is very unique. We're going to try and brainstorm about Kingfisher, Vijay Mallya, and as we know, he's in a bit of a doozy.
Why can't we have this big public service campaign idea which says, Save the Kingfisher?
What Josie said, we saw actually a kingfisher nowadays not diving into water, he was diving into a drain. That is when you realize there is a lack of fish.
The way the kingfisher is going down the drain, actually it is not going down. It is going down to get a fish. And it will go down and it will come up with lots of fish.
So every time we fly with Kingfisher, you get points or miles, and every mile turning into slowly into a share.
we have this idea which is save the Kingfisher, drink more beer.
Yeah.
20% of proceeds from all Kingfisher beer will go to save the Kingfisher airline.
Kingfisher, save Kingfisher. We'll save Kingfisher.
There's no point blaming. You're not going to save or resurrect things if you just blame. But if you can act positively, you can make a difference. I think we can, as part of the Indian family, save our own. And I think the way to do it is to say, Kingfisher belongs to us. I'm Kingfisher. How can I make a difference?
Please pretend your seats and the window shades are off. Please switch on the window shades are off. Please switch on electronic. As we prepare for takeoff, please ensure that your hand and baggage are stored as we are preparing to land. Please pretend your seats.
Touch the sky, think about it every night and day, spread my wings and fly away. I believe I can soar, see me running through that open door. I believe I can fly, I believe I can fly.
Thank you. Dhanyavad.
That was Lo, BBDO and Leo Burnett putting on a show specially for you. Don't forget to send in your vote by mailing us at brandequity@etnow.tv or alternatively text us at 58888 with your vote. Or simply log on to our Facebook page, that's facebook.com/brandequity, and send us your comment, view, opinion, but most importantly, your vote on the most effective campaign. You can also feel free to react on the different creatives you've seen on Twitter at Brand Equity Live. Next week, we'll scrutinize these 3 campaigns with an expert panel, and we're also giving out an award to the agency with the most votes from viewers. Yes, we're giving out a Viewer's Choice Award. On that note, we're slipping into a short break, but up next, we're decoding the success behind Cola Very D. Stay tuned to find out.